guys, we're gonna make a meaty spaghetti. These are the ingredients that we need. Garlic, onion, green bell pepper, hot dog, basil leaves, mushroom, and ground pork. First, saute garlic and onion. Second, add the ground pork. Third, add the bell pepper and basil leaves. Mix it thoroughly. It smells like Italian. Oh, smells so good! Fourth, add mushroom. Fifth, add spaghetti sauce. Sixth, hot dog. Mix it thoroughly and wait for it to boil. Voila! Our meaty sauce is done. Now I'll cook the pasta. So this is a simmering water. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil and salt on it. When it's already boiling, I'm gonna put the noodles. I think it's cooked, guys. Now I'm gonna drain it. With faucet open so that we prevent the noodles to be overly cooked. Ta-da! This is the finished product of my meaty spaghetti. Let's eat!